If there's a do-it-yourselfer, tinker, or tool lover among those on your gift-giving list, here's some good news. Your search for the perfect present just might be over. Here are terrific new products, sure to please anyone who likes to work with their hands. Workshop power cords can get in the way, end up tangled, and even become tripping hazards. The new Chamberlain Garage Power Station solves that problem and much more. It mounts to the ceiling, saving valuable workspace. Built-in overhead task lighting turns on automatically whenever the 25-foot cord is pulled out. In addition to bringing electrical power to every corner of the workspace, the tangle-free cord stays out of the way and auto-retracts when not in use. The Power Center also delivers on-demand air for inflating sports equipment, toys, and tires. A pressure gauge is built in. Even better, the unit provides portable LED lighting wherever it's needed and incorporates a hanging hook for hands-free convenience. Bottom line, with this tool, you'll always have air, power, and lighting all within easy reach. This new Airstrike cordless brad nailer from Ryobi requires no compressor, gas cartridge, or bulky hose. Loading is fast and simple, and the tool can accommodate 18-gauge nails in a wide range of lengths, from 5/8 of an inch up to 2 inches. The nailer is part of Ryobi's One Plus system and uses the same battery as the other tools in the line. It can fire up to 60 nails per minute and drive in up to 700 nails on a single charge. Because it's completely self-contained, compact, lightweight, and always ready to go, it's ideal for rapid assembly, craft projects, and interior trim and molding. The thinner nails virtually eliminate the risk of splitting. The nailer also features a built-in belt clip. For some jobs, it's important to direct light exactly where you need it, and for that, a flashlight's a great tool. The only problem is it takes one of your 2 available hands, and sometimes you need both of them to get the work done. I know I even resort to something like this to leave both my hands free. Well, here's the solution that gives me light exactly where I want it and keeps both of my hands free. It's from Coast Products, and it's got a couple of really interesting features. The on-off switch is right up here on the top. It can be tilted up or down. There's a control here for brightness. And by turning the rim right here, I can adjust the beam from flood to spot. The lamp uses 2 AA batteries and has a continuous runtime of almost 4 hours at full brightness. It can be worn over caps as well as hard hats. There's just nothing like having powerful illumination directed precisely where you need and want it, while having both hands completely unrestricted. It's ideal for all kinds of home repair and maintenance work, power outages, automotive emergencies, and pathway illumination. Now I can tell you one thing for sure. If I were to receive any of these as a gift, I'd be one happy do-it-yourselfer.